Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add wallet on YesCoin. But before I show you how to do that, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So what you want to do is you want to go to Telegram, type in /start so that you get this screen, and then you want to click the first option, play for airdrop. Now that you are on this screen, what you want to do is go to the bottom left under earn. And if you still haven't do the onboarding, you see the first option, connect wallet. You basically want to click on that, connect wallet. Then you have different options at the bottom: Tonekeeper, My Tone Wallet, Tone Hub, the wallet, BitGet, something, SafePal. Or you can just open wallet in Telegram. If you click on that, if you don't already have a wallet, you can just click on Start Exploring Tone, create your own wallet, or you can just add your existing wallet via importing it manually or recover it email and Telegram. Once you have done that, just follow the on-screen instructions. It's pretty simple. And from there, your wallet will be right over here, and you will be able to also withdraw money on it, play around with it, do whatever you want. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe. If you're still having some issues, let me know what was the problem in the comments down below.